Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look at writing the code in HTML using a few of the tags. So this is a folder that I have created specifically for the code that I will be writing. And I only have 2 images stored in this folder. I will go to Notepad++, start the code. First of all, every code written in HTML is written in tags. Tags are written in markup. A markup is a less than and greater than sign. The first tag I am writing is HTML tag. This is the parent tag which encompasses every other tag. Open the tag and then close tag. Closing the tag is done with a / and the tag name. Within HTML, we have the head, section, open head tag and close head tag, and the body section. Open the body tag and close the body tag. So these are the 2 sections that we have defined. Within the head tag, we have a title tag, open title tag and close title tag. These are the tags, that is the code, which will be interpreted by the browser. And what you write within the tag, that is between the opening and closing tag, will be displayed as it is. So in the title tag, whatever I write will be displayed as it is in the title bar. First web page. In the body section, whatever we write will be displayed on the page content as it is. Suppose I have some text that I want to write, and here is that text. This is simple plain text that I have pasted in the body section. There is a line break after begin with heading, and we will see how is it interpreted in the browser. So this is just simple text written in the body section and simple text written in the title of the head section. Let us save this. File, save as. I will go to the folder that I created for the coding purpose. First.html. Save. After saving, you can see that the tags have been highlighted in a different color and the text is in different color, so as to make a difference to what the code is and what the content is. Now let us visit this page that we have created, first.html. Here it is. My first web page is in the title bar since it was written as the title, and the text, plain text that I wrote, is here in the content of the page. This is not showing any line breaks, although I had written a line break there. So this means whatever we write in the code editor, it needs to be formatted using tags for every small little format that we want to give to the text. So let us say I want this to be the heading. I will write H1 tag. H1 to H6 are the heading tags. H1 is the largest. Close H1 tag. Next, the rest of the text, I want to make it in the form of a paragraph. So P tag, close P tag. These are opening paragraph tag and closing paragraph tag. And now everything that I have written is within a tag, whether it is a heading tag or a paragraph tag or a title tag. Save. go back and refresh the page in the browser to see the changes. And here it is. The heading has been highlighted and the paragraph text has moved to the next line because heading tag gives a line break on its own. I have not explicitly specified a line break through a tag, but each one, that is any of the heading tag, gives a line break. Go back to the editor. Let us see some more tags. Within the body tag, you can use some attribute to specify the color. So I have specified BG color, that is the background color of the entire web page, to be Alice blue and text to be in red, since it has been written in the body tag. And body tag is the tag which is incorporating every text or content that I am writing within the page. So the formatting specified in the body tag will be applied to the entire page content. Here it is that the background color is Alice blue and text color will be red. Save it, and here it is. The background color has changed and the text color has also changed. Next, let us see more tags. One is a B tag, which is for bold. So suppose I want to make this word content bold and I want to give a line break after the sentence gets over. So I will write a BR tag. A BR tag is used for a line break, and this is not a paired tag. This is a single tag, so there will be no closing tag for this. BR, and that's it. There is no closing tag for this. Save. Reload the page and you can see the content has been set to bold and a break has been added. Let us also include an image. For adding an image, we use an image tag, img. img source is an attribute of the image tag. Source is equal to name of the file, rose.jpg, width is equal to 200, height is equal to 150, and alt is equal to the text that you want to specify as an alternate text to the image if the image is not loaded. This is the image that will be added with these attributes. That is, the source is equal to the name of the file, the image file, which is within the same folder where I have saved my code first.html. Width will specify the width of the image. Height will specify the height for the image, and alt text is for the alternate text. As you can see, the attributes are specified within double quotes. So name of the attribute is equal to open double quotes, file name, close double quotes. Width is equal to open double quotes, value for the width in pixel, close double quotes. Similarly for height and alt. Save it, go back and check. Here it is. I had added the image after the first line before the break, and so it has been added in that specific line before the break, and with the dimensions that I mentioned in the width and height for the image in the image tag. So this was a simple HTML code that I have written. Now I will go to moodleforteachers.org and go to week 3 under the course. In the forum, code for the web, add a new discussion, my first web page, code number 1, attach a file, choose file, upload file, and post to forum. So this is my first web page, and I have added it to the forum here. This is how you need to create a web page and add it to the forum. When I will be writing more code, I will only add it in the same discussion as a reply to my own discussion topic. So that's about this video. Thank you very much.